Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Burger King Zesty sauce. Combine 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/3 cup ketchup, and 1 tablespoon yellow mustard in a bowl, then stir until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon pickle brine and 1 teaspoon white vinegar, then mix well. Season with 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and a pinch of salt, tasting and adjusting until you like the balance. Whisking technique matters for a silky sauce you can pour or spread easily. Start by measuring ingredients into a medium bowl, then whisk briskly for about 60 seconds until fully combined. Scrape down the sides and whisk again to ensure uniform texture. Transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes so the flavors marry and mellow, producing that classic zesty finish. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping, so you can relax while it handles crumbs and drips from burgers. I love how it frees time for cooking and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve this zesty sauce cold for the best contrast with hot, crispy burgers and fries. Spoon onto buns or use as a dip for fries, onion rings, or chicken nuggets. Store leftovers in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 7 days and label with the date. If separation happens, just stir or shake to recombine before using, and always taste before serving to check seasoning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.